Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. A couple of housekeeping things first. The bingo prizes have not been mailed for the past 3 weeks because when I was packing up all my stuff, I packed up my scale. So I'm going to go through every single box and find them today. And then I will get the bingo prizes out. I am moving back into my old craft room, so I will be doing more lives and so forth. Now, I wanted to share with you guys, if you're not aware of my Porch prints on Etsy, they're fantastic. I buy almost all of my digitals from them. I buy a lot of digitals, I honestly do, but I just love their work, and I wanted to share them with you today because they're awesome. She does have a copyright notice that comes with everything she sells, and it's pretty, it's pretty tight. And she says you may print or use these items in a tangible journal, scrapbook, craft project, etc. to sell. Our items must be incorporated into your own unique assembled printed project and significantly altered, such as adding other printed items, lace, decorations, etc. Do not just print, assemble, and sell. Do not just alter slightly and sell. You must make it unique. Well, I think we all do that. I mean, okay, no, we don't all. The majority of us do that anyway. There's a lot of things you cannot do, which are common sense, guys. If it's not yours, don't say it is, and don't use it like it is. Appreciate an artist's work, and don't try to take credit for somebody else's stuff. But this is Wildflower Journal Kit, and I probably got them mixed up. And I just realized that. Maybe not. We'll see. This is the Wildflower Journal Kit, which is absolutely stunning. The camera is not picking up how amazing these colors are. I just, I love her patterns. I love her designs. And I love this pocket here. The layered pockets. And I may make a layered pocket. It may end up going into a collage. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. Sorry. But, I may do both. I may make it into a journal, and then a collage, and then other stuff, because I love it. This is cool. Okay, your postcard, trifold tag. And she shows you up here an example of how to use everything. So I'm assuming these go on these to make this. Cool, huh? Now I belong to the Graphics Fairy and the Digital Art Club, I think it is. And yeah, I get a lot of digitals off of there for my yearly fee, but I still use those mostly in collaging. And I still go back. Now this is the Mother's Day Journal add-on, and I bought this because I liked the looks of this with the field journal. It's just, I don't know, I like it. I like the colors and everything, and I always print it out first on copy paper because I like to keep a copy in the file, and when I go to actually use it, I print it on what I want it on. Let's say either coffee dyed or tea dyed, and with these colors here especially, light coffee dyed or tea dyed paper, I use tea dyed mostly, it just enhances it even more. It's beautiful. It's a huge kit, guys. I mean, it is a huge kit, and they're not expensive, not at all. But don't y'all go tell her I said that, because I don't want to raise the prices. Now I'm coming up to, yeah, this one I know is out of order. This is the Blue Farm, French Blue Farm. Wait till you see this kit, and she did a flip through on her channel of it too. But this is awesome. I do a lot of farm and like vintage farm journals. Two of the shops that I sell to are kind of borderline rural area, and these farm journals just sell great out there, especially around Christmas time. I love this. Look at these mason jars, guys. Aren't they adorable? And she always gives you the words. Everything is just perfectly matched and themed together. So you really, once you buy one of her kits, you don't need a lot more. I mean, you need your stuff to decorate it with, to make it uniquely your own. But you don't have to go out and get extra papers and all that, because there is more than enough here. Just add a few of your tea dye papers in with it. Put some of your pockets onto those. And it's really awesome. Here's your tabs. Your little trapo tag. I love this one. And with the kits, I don't always use everything in them. But, you know, that's why I do it on here. Let's say if I got a project and I just want to use this bird, I'll just pull this out and, you know, run a copy. Or if I just want the animals on here, I just, you know, copy it on the cardstock, run it through the scan and cut, and I'm done. And this could be a mini journal here. Look at these. Look at these. Aren't they awesome? Absolutely love it. Here you get the pockets again. And yeah, it's the same as the other one, but you know, you don't have to put it on this back. You can put it on something else. Or you can turn these into journal cards instead of, you know, the backings for your pockets. It's, you know, it's up to you to use your imagination, use it how you want. I mean, it's just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I love this tag. And of course, you know, I love chickens. I think, no, this wasn't it. I was going to use one of these for my actual cover. Maybe this one, I don't know, or maybe this one. Whichever one I don't use as my actual cover will be the inside cover. The same with these. And you can adjust your settings too and put them down to a smaller. I do a full page. I always do a full page when I first print them because, you know, I want to look at them closely and decide what I'm going to do with them. But the papers are just very creatively stunning. They love this one. Trying to think of which one I decided on for the. I did decide on the cover, guys, and I don't know which one it was. I love this one for a cover. I guess when I make it, y'all will see which one I decided on now, because now I don't remember. This was a separate kit. These are journal drawers, which I thought were absolutely adorable. And I use a lot of Michael's photo boxes for storage. So what I was thinking when I saw these was just to use them on those boxes for a plate, you know, just put them on the box rather than actually use them in a journal or anything. But they're cute. I still haven't done Johnny's library journal yet, so I could put these in there. And no, I'm not turning them over. Okay. And she always gives you instructions on, you know, how to put everything together. But this is the cutest project right here to make, you know, an ephemera holder. You fill the cards, ephemera, etc. It's just adorable. This was a special gift. Not sure if this goes with that one or not. I think it does. Well, I may use it with it with it or not. But like I said, look at all of these. There's no way. And I had thought about combining some of them into one journal. There's just so much you can do. And for all of this, I did not pay much. So she's on Etsy, and it's called My Porch Prints. So check her out. And I'll see you again soon. As soon as I get moved, I will have more videos coming. I promise. It's just, it is a job. Alright guys, see you soon. Bye.